Hey y'all, today I wanted y'all to know this is one of my worst best clients ever. She comes back with some nonsense. So we just gonna do a nail hardener on her nails, okay? So let's get into it.
Nah, don't put that out on me. I didn't do that.
That is funny. Okay, let's put the nail hardener on your hand.
You gotta take the stuff off first.
I know. I gotta find my make sure I got it up here. I got it together. At home. I got to work early because I had. Hey guys, so today I'm just showing you a short video of me doing one of my favorite clients. They crack me up. They're sisters. They come in together every 3 weeks and they get their nails done. Now, we've been on the back and forth of growing their nails out because I work with older people and natural nails. They grow their nails out and it'd be so cute when they leave. And guess what? When they come back, they have bit the nail polish off or they have scraped it off, just any little thing. So I asked them in this clip, I'm like, are we growing our nails or are we just want to look cute to be looking cute? And they give me the same old answer. Oh, we're going to grow our nails. So in the clip that you see, I'm doing the first sister nails. She cracks me up. You heard what I said about her. And we're just doing her nails. Now, first thing first, when you're doing natural nails, you want to make sure that you go around the side walls and the cuticle area and push them back and just clean them off. So since she comes every 3 weeks, she makes sure her nails are taken care of during the time she's not here. It's easy for me to just take my nail bed right here and just put it on at level 2 and just go around and lightly just get off whatever excess polish that she left on there instead of just putting her hands in acetone, which can damage the rest of your nails if you soak them in there too long. So that's what I'm doing right here. And then the next step after that, I'm going to dehydrate it. So I would spray the nail with alcohol 70 or more percent, and then I wipe it off with an alcohol wipe. I let that dry, and then I use a dehydrator and a Pro Bond. So it's many different products that you can use. I like to use the same system. Sometimes I mix it up. It's just whatever works for you when you're doing natural nails. I let it dry out, and then I put a Pro Bond, which is going to help enhance the polish. After that step, I go ahead and I just use a base coat. I have a certain type of base coat I like to use. I need to get some more, or I need to order some. Get ready for Amazon haul. I am too. And then I just put the base coat in there. And when you do the base coat, make sure you put a thin layer. It's not too thick and it's not missing any spots. So just make sure you take your time and put it on there like you would do polish. You'll cure it for about 30 seconds, depending on what brand and what their instructions are. And you will repeat them steps from your left to the right hand. After that, just let your client pick what polish they want. So this one, it is a collection from our Amazon haul that we have done. And we try and use the metallic wand, which came out really great. So she did like a mid nude color, so it has like a hint color in there, and then we put the metallic on top and we used the wand, and it came out really pretty. So it's like a galaxy thing. I asked her if she wanted to put stars and all that stuff on there, and she was like no. But once she seen one nail done, she fell in love with it, so we just went ahead and did the rest of the hands. So this is what you're going to see here in the clip. If you have any question, concern, make sure you just leave some feedback in the response box. I guess that's what it is. But make sure you subscribe. I have more videos coming out. It just takes me a little bit to get them all together because my clients, when they come in, they feel comfortable, safe to talk to me about everything. I mean, from family to their family, long distance cousins, church members, which they were talking about here, which was very funny. But it's no foul, no harm. They are lovable people. And you know, elderly people, they just want somewhere safe haven, talk to people, have fun. We have the oldies but goodies playing in the background. They got snacks. Some of them are allowed to have wine. Others are juice or water. And they come in here and they sit and talk. And I make sure their time is just for them. I don't overbook. And if you're ever in the area, you can always hit me up on our website, www.ariinfinite.com. Make an appointment, come in. And also, again, like I always tell you, I make sure you shop with us on our website because we have inspiring shea butters, body creams, body oils, roll-ons, And you can get all that on our website. Even our fantastic scrub, if you have not seen, I use it in our pedicure video. So just tag along and make sure you enjoy every little bit of this video. So I'll catch y'all in the next video. Might be tomorrow because this video is really, really short.
Yeah, that's what I told her. I said, that's a
She taking care of everybody.
Yeah, that's the way she, I don't know how she doing that, working like that.
Oh, bless her little soul. Let me see that one. Nope, that one.
Hey guys. Listening to.
Just like her niece be on that telephone all the time. Yeah.
I was like, y'all doing too much up here.
They really is.
She called me every week.
They ain't helping her out. She probably up there stressed out.
Yeah, she said she about ready to retire. I said, wait.
She always been self-employed. You retiring to what? I hope she ain't got no money in the bank. Let me see that. Yeah, you retired. Girl, you just stopped working. Cause I could tell you ain't got no money in the bank. You didn't do no 401k. You didn't do none of that.
I hope she got smart on that. And the kids ain't helping. I said somebody gotta help.
wish I would have heard her say that. She got a little glitter. That's cute. I'm here to take a picture because these people be lying when they